Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Lolo Nneka Chimezie I can never tell no no Igbo. Ebe no gba abuna Kuje Magistrate Court. Ebe Ibra maka ịhapụ onye ọkaikpe Nnamdi Kanu na nwanne ya nwoke bụ Emmanuel. Onye ọkaikpe Nnamdi Kanu bụ barrister Aloy Ejumako na nwanne ya nwoke bụ Emmanuel. Na Ibra na protest, peaceful protest. Nke this our president bụ onye isi ya. I am far back in 2014 otu ha ji wee protest ya. Agbala ha nkịtị mana tata and the people of Nigeria in a peaceful protest. Everybody know why we Kuje Magistrate Court. They come to a corner. But I na never lawyer Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. One night the number. All I get here. One night the number. Mazi barrister Sowore.
The next president. The next president.
Yes. I may have okay. They have not discovered this magistrate. Then I will come home to Pesiaka. But Okwane, I will give him at this magistrate. No. Okwane, all on the age. Can you hear game? By Sano Kunabia, Kanan the Kalu, H. If I hear court to the federal high court, say, can lawyer and the defender Gabia Moko. This year, who look, can we remember to Nam the Kalu to get defending the case? I get this bundle with the witnesses, Manakita, and Lord, one of the leading counsel, it's Prince Emma Carlo, one of the witnesses, along with other witnesses. So immediately know about in there. Ederemako to Attorney General of the Police. Ederemako to Inspector General of the Police. Ederemako to Commissioner of Police. We say, Ichipendia, Abuhanane, Ojiji, no game in the Quena. Nnamdi Kanu, who was prepare to enter defense because in the prosecution in that case, the next thing Nnamdi Kanu to enter defense. And the lawyers must to help to prepare him. Now one of the lawyers is now arrested and detained. One of the witnesses arrested and detained. Which means the process of
I got a passive to pay. No. Please talk to people. I mean, you are the convener of this protest. Please, can you give them a brief on how you are seeing things going, please?
Well, let me thank everybody who came out yesterday across the world. We're not just trying to make a small statement. We want Nnamdi Kanu to be free.
Yes.
He must be free.
It's non-negotiable.
It's
non-negotiable.
What I want to say is because they're saying that Yoruba man is fighting for Igbo man.
Longer divide us.
Yes.
They have discovered that this one has come to unite us.
Exactly.
The oppressed.
Exactly.
And that is why they are very worried. And I know they continue to be worried because the voice is loud.
Exactly.
And we are unstoppable.
Exactly.
And we will ensure that Nnamdi Kanu is free. There's nothing they didn't do to us yesterday, including opening fire on us. So I'm not surprised that today or yesterday they targeted his lawyers. They even said it. The presidential spokesperson Bayo Nonga said it, that the lawyer had no business protesting.
Imagine.
They were about to release them yesterday on bail because they committed no crime anyway. And then suddenly changed their mind and even attacked us in front of the SCT. What they are trying to do is that they know they don't have the case. And the lawyer, the lead lawyer, who has been challenging them, they want to put him away. At the time that they said his clients should open his defense, you are the one who said go and open his defense. Yes. The lawyer is preparing, but now you are taking the lawyer away so that he cannot prepare for him to open his defense. What we're trying to say is that we got here this morning, and lo and behold, the police has rushed here without letting his lawyers be aware of their client's brother. And the judge, upon discovering that there was no lawyer around, has sent them to jail. That was the goal of the illegal IG, to send this guy away. That's the goal of Tinubu, to make sure that there are no lawyers to defend him when he returns to court, to open his defense. That is it. That is the tactic we are seeing now. And you see that they're also sponsoring propaganda that it was Sowore that got them arrested. It is part of the propaganda so that they will use that to divide us. We are used to propaganda. Yes. And we are used to that. I am here to get Nnamdi Kanu released.
Yes.
And nobody who is being held, including Igbos that were tagged IPOB members, who are all languishing in several detentions, in one barrack, in Tiger Base, we will get everybody out.
Yes.
It's either we are free in this country or we ensure that we fight for our independence again.
Yes. Freedom or nothing.
That is why I have no apologies. When you hear me say that Nigeria needs a revolution, this is what I mean.
Yes, we need revolution.
Without a revolution, everybody will take you for a granted. Even a chicken can take you for a granted. Bees, flies, we take you for granted. Rats, we take you for granted. But in this case, we are prepared for whatever it will take. That's why I think they never thought I could come out yesterday. And they said, oh, after the tear gas off, they thought it was over. Yes. We protested in this Abuja, 6 places. Yes. We were emerging in different parts of the city. And with their help, they were able to help us shut down the city. Exactly. Even the judge who gave an order that we cannot go to Aso Road could not resume to work yesterday. We hear his own case. So, but just be prepared. Those of you who were afraid this last time or who were convinced not to come out, know that nothing can happen to you if we all unite en masse. Exactly. If the mass decide today that we want Nnamdi Kanu release, they will release him.
When people say yes, nobody can say no.
Revolution!
No, revolution!
Because he said no other person.
It is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Thank you very much. Comes back to her because she said no other person.
It is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing.
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.